So in this situation, a pupil has managed to print off the copy of an assignment. This is being viewed in OneNote on an iPad. So here's the actual page here, which we can enlarge to see full size. And you can see there's the question is listed here, and this is what they have to do. Now in this case, pupil preferred to print this off and actually work on paper. So they've actually produced a solution which is available on paper. Now, if I just hold that up to the camera, you can see there that this is the solution that they've provided. So they need to get that somehow handed into the teacher. So a good way to do this would be to add a picture of the finished assignment on the right hand side here, so that the teacher can see the original question and the final solution. And we're going to do that using OneNote entirely on this occasion. So I'm going to go to the Insert menu, which you can see I'm on at the moment, and we're going to use the camera here. Now, in order to use the camera, we need to be in edit mode on the page. So to do that, I'm just going to click with my finger on the page. Now you can see that throws up the keyboard here. In order to reduce the keyboard that you can see on the page there, we just need to click on camera. So I'm just going to hold my iPad over the document. Now, as you can see, if you're in document mode, the camera automatically puts a border on the area that's going to be photographed. So once you're happy with that, just click on the Take Photograph button, which I've just done. And that's the solution. Now, that's quite acceptable, I think. So I'm just going to click Done. So this has the effect of positioning the scanned document directly onto the page. And that's now ready for the teacher to review. Now I'm just going to enlarge that a little bit more so that it's a bit bigger. So you can see that my solution has been added to the page and it's now ready for the teacher to review.